Connecting to QuickBooks. Desktop Company.
Open QuickBooks Company to be used with LoanAssistant. Using navigational dropdowns, navigate to your QuickBooks Company location. Select QuickBooks Company to be used with LoanAssistant. If you plan using LoanAssistant with other users in your office, working using their own machines, check off Share Company Book on the Network checkbox.
Switch to QuickBooks Company and select bottom option. Yes. Always allow access. Click Continue.
Switch to QuickBooks Company and select bottom option. Yes, always allow access. Click Continue. Click Done button.
Switch back to LoanAssistant. Select relevant options and click OK button.
Review accounts to be created into your QuickBooks Company. Click Edit button to change default account name or link default account to existing one in QuickBooks.
To change default account name, just overwrite the value in the account name box and click OK. To use account already present in QuickBooks Company, check off Use Existing Account checkbox and select Needed Account from the drop-down list with all accounts from your company with relevant account type. Click OK button to save.
Save accounts. Receive connection confirmation.
Free trial available at theloanassistant.com.